Today, I'm going to walk you through forecast entry and show you how to create a quick template that you can use to quickly import many forecast lines at once. The forecast entry is a feature that allows planners to define demand, forecast, and directly drive MRP and production planning. So let's get started by selecting one of the parts that we have as forecast entry. I'm going to create a new line of the forecast list for my main site by clicking New here in the forecast list. Assign any forecast date that you want to use for your first example, and then a forecast order quantity. The rest of the fields are not mandatory, but you can also assign a customer ID, a ship to customer, if you wish to add more detail into your forecast entry. Okay, so let's save this one line. And we're going to navigate to the overflow menu and click Export Forecast. Just select any date and make sure that it's including the date of the line that you added, and then assign a name for your testing file. Click Export and wait until you get confirmation that the export was successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to pull the file that got generated. As you can see, I have more lines for Evanston site. I'm going to add more lines for the manufacturing main site that I have. So I'm just going to pull the lines for the manufacturing site. I'm going to use the same part, but in your template, you can just change different parts and import them all at once. And I'm going to make sure that I create a new date for the lines that I'm going to add in this template. Make sure that you do not change the template. The order of the files needs to remain as the one that you exported, and the same as the format of the different fields. They need to stay exactly the same for your import to be successful. And I'm just going to keep everything else as default because I don't really have any more information that I want to import. The quantity will be just one, and then the different days that I saved in my template. Save your changes in Excel and you can go back to Kinetic. Once back in Kinetic, we can click on the overflow menu and now click Import Forecast. This option is going to give us the search where I can search for my file, CSV file that I just saved. And now you have some import options. If you want to wipe out everything that you had previously and just reload the data, you can select clear and reload. If you want to add the new lines and just replace duplicates, you can select add and replace, and just add if new, if everything is just a new line that you want to add to your forecast list. In my case, I'm going to do just clear and reload everything that I exported. And I'll make sure to start at the beginning of the month so I don't miss any lines. Then I'm going to click import, and I got confirmation that 26 records were imported successfully. Click OK, close out this screen, and then if I navigate to my main site, you will see that I have more lines that were imported with my CSV file. And just like that, you can import many forecast lines with one click and save a lot of time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.